Unit 9, Period 9, Roman numeral 3, the presidency of Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton was president from 1992 to 2000. Bill Clinton was a Democratic presidential nominee from the state of Arkansas. He had been governor of Arkansas uh, previously. Um, After winning the Democratic nomination and then the presidency, he took power in 1992. The success that Bill Clinton had while president was uh, pretty much because he enjoyed a special relationship with Democrats and Republicans in Congress. That does not mean that they were harmonious and friends all the time, but Bill Clinton, as a Democrat, was able to negotiate with the Republicans here, led by Newt Gingrich, the Speaker of the House, and be able to get things accomplished in government. One of the major accomplishments of his presidency was a free trade agreement between Mexico, the United States, and Canada that became known as NAFTA. NAFTA was a plan to assist um, all three countries with their trade between each other and eventually their economies. It consisted of stopping tariffs or trade restrictions between the three countries. So when I go back up to the map and I show you this here, an interstate was built between Mexico, the United States, and Canada, and trucks trading between the three countries could go between the three countries without going through customs twice. And so that saved companies a lot of money that in turn helps consumers in all three countries buy cheaper products. Here's a picture of Bill Clinton with Vice President Al Gore looking on, signing NAFTA. The problem with NAFTA is that um, because there's no trade restrictions or anything, companies can move anywhere they want to do business in between Canada, Mexico, and the United States. And a lot of companies chose to move their companies to Mexico because the labor was cheaper because of this NAFTA relationship. So a lot of jobs were lost uh, by Americans during this time period. The next most important event that happened with Bill Clinton was he was impeached. Now, why was Bill Clinton impeached? Bill Clinton was impeached because of committing perjury, as seen here in this newspaper article. What is perjury? Perjury is lying under oath. What did Bill Clinton lie under oath about? Well, it was about an improper relationship that he had had with this woman, Monica Lewinsky. Bill Clinton was a married man, and in and of itself, adultery is not against the law. That's not what got him in trouble. But what did get him in trouble is he was investigated by a special prosecutor for the attorney general named Kenneth Starr. He was forced to give a deposition, a legal um, discussion with a lawyer, in which he was asked, along with Monica Lewinsky, she was also asked in a deposition if they had had an affair with each other. Well, she admitted to the affair, but Bill Clinton denied the affair. And since he was under oath when he denied the affair, and that there was evidence that they had had a physical affair, then that automatically put Bill Clinton as being against the law and committing perjury. He was tried in the Senate and he was found not guilty. Um, did he do the crime of perjury? The Senate found that he had, but they did not feel like the crime was fit the guidelines that were in the Constitution of high crimes and misdemeanors. Congress felt like, specifically the Senate, who was responsible for the trial, that the president must commit a lot of misdemeanors or a high crime like murder or treason or something like that to be removed as president of the United States. This concludes Unit 9, Period 9, the presidency of Bill Clinton.